Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the Finance 5546. Yesterday we have just finished the correlation of the function pairwise. So there is question of the double jumping. So let's continue the second one. So the pairwise corporate action lines. So pairwise corporate action data from the data field. So the parameter is line list of strings representing line from data exactly as they appear in the field. Each line contains common separate key value pairs where each pair is separated by the column, and return will be in dictionary mapping tickers to data to actions ticker and the date and the splits, the corporate action and the number. So you can see that the action is dictionary for line in line. Dictionary equals to dictionary. So there is no storage for dictionary for elements in defined elements in line splits with the, so which is line? The line is the value from the it's for elements in for line in lines. For key value equals to element splits. Dictionary, the key equals to value. Ticker is dictionary ticker data dictionary action type is dictionary value is float dictionary type, so it's the allocation of this value. And action type split value in the value ratio for 1. 2.1 is 1 241 sorry. So in that case, yesterday my Excel is run. Okay, Novares splits with the split ratio 2.1 for 241. Dividend value in dollar amount per share. And if ticker not in action after action ticker, so it's irrelevant. Action ticker data. So it's in the for action. So action ticker date is the action type value, run action, return action. So for line in lines, corporate option lines. So this function defines the line, and the line comes from pop line. So line is a list duct key value for elements in line split. So if I use element is element is less, which is split by the commas, and the key value is key and the value equals to the split. So the first is the key is, and then the second is value. So dictionary consists of the key and the value. So let's see the key and the value. The ticker is the ticker is the dict ticker. Ticker is the dict. So it's the date contains 1, 2, 3, 4 keys. ticker, date, action type, value. So we can find these. So we can divide the. So can we have the number? So if ticker if ticker date, so we redefine the action as ticker date, action type, value. So it will be ticker date. No, it will be action ticker date is date here. See. I actually I do not fully understand what that means. Action is the dictionary. Action ticker date is dictionary mapping ticker to date into actions. So the first is the ticker, the second is a date. So it's not equals to that amount, I think. So it will be the ticker date and the split ticker date. Date is a date. So it should be the one key and another is a value. The value is the value contains the lots of for elements in line for nothing action for ticker nothing action ticker date is the action tab value not action tab value I think. So for that we need to know what the function means. Dictionary action is in the dictionary of the dictionary. Action ticker date is action ticker date yes, it's dictionaries Python ticker 1 action type value. So that's correct. Action type and value. Action type ticker. Action type value. Tuple is a tuple. It's not they're not in same level. It means I know. So that's correct. So I think it's correct. Yes. Sorry, I need to log in WeChat to operate the screenshot function. I mean, I think this is correct because we need to illustrate the line function. Sorry, close it. For line lines, so this is correct to value to give the value to the date with the Action the tuple is action type correct, value is correct, action type I think it's for lines if ticker not in action ticker is the bracket. So I think it's correct. Correct. Second one is calculate adjustment factor, price, corporate action. Price dictionary for the single ticker predicts price. Price is the dictionary. Corporate action dictionary. So it comes from the price comes from corporate action is a dictionary. Price determined for the single sticker. Press dictionary for the single sticker date and price. Ticker date price. Corporate action for the single ticker date. Corporate X value. So price and corporate and a dictionary. And the term will be in a dictionary. Mapping data cumulative adjustment factor. Date and factor. So initially all transform to 1. Adjustment factor date 1 for dating price. Catalyst selection type. Action date equals to list corporation key value. Action date equals to list corporate action. Action date is list corporate action keys. Action date list is the corporate keys. So corporate action keys will be the keys is the ticker. No, it's the corporate action is dictionary for the single ticker. So it will be the date and the value for date. So it will return the date. And for each corporate action for action date in action date, action type value equals corporation action date, corporation action date, action date, action type, and the value equals to the action type. Corporate action dictionary. So if we action date for action date and action date, if action type is factor is the value, action type the value split, else if it's dividends, stored date is stored date price key, stored date is stored price key. Price is the date and the price. If you insert a key, it will be the price of started price. Index is the sorted date. Index action date. Action is sorted date dot index action date. So we'll find the order of list, and the per close is the price close date. Price close date auction index -1. Factor equals to 1 minus value divided price close. For data in adjustment factor, for data in if data price adjustment factor date equals to the factor, return adjustment factor. So it looks good, but we need to see the net date and the number for dating price. If dating price and the number is for dating price, it looks good. But there is a question if the action is allied. So if the action type is known, what's going on. So that treatment is correct. I think sorted date is the so there is two corporate action date and the price date. So we need to sort all the date in the corporate price keys. Auction type is a dividend auction. So I think it's good enough, but it has some logic is correct. I just date, so it will be the date and the factor for dating price, imply for dating price. Action date is this corporation keys. Action date is corporation action keys. For key dating action date, action type equals action type value is corporation action. For action dating action date, action type value equals action corporate action. So we do not know the action date, we just know the corporate action. So if the corporate action, we use corporate action type action date. Price corporation date. Corporate action is action date. If action type is split, LCF. I think it's just a problem of the non-split situation. So if in that case, there are two situations. If action, it means it's not LCF, not else. It's a two condition function. So for action having action date equal value. So what's the problem with that? That's the manner for dating this factor. If dates so the action factor begin with 1 for action dating for action dating action type value. So we can, so what does that mean? Action type value. So I can ask the AI for what does that mean for action. So for that, so it covers, not manipulate. Yes, yes. 2.1. Action date list. So that's the two questions. So let's just see where the Location is action factor, data equals to fact. Address is the factor. So let's just have a simple notes first. Cover, not multi. Cube multiple before in just actually the logic is 100% right. Just a single. There is a single slide questions between them. So another one is cumulative, not multiple, not cumulative. Action dates is a list. So why it's the sorted keys? Because it's potential. Yes, I can do that. I can. Let's just copy it. Term order. Before yes, this one. So after yes, this corporate sorted. So for my understanding, I need to action date. Action date is the use the key, so it will return a lot. It will return that's date. Yes, so action date is will also return. Sorry for that. Action date is a string. It's a string with the corporate action corporate action date. So it's correct for action for dating. So I just do not fully understand what that means. Process each corporate cell. For day indentation, it's a loop. Action type value. So first we get the number, and we'll return pattern will be so we return the split and the turbo action is the okay. I think the temperature is not a big deal because oh no, corporation should be yes, should be sorted. Yes. I mean, it's correct. So let's go next one, the adjust price adjust factor for date price. So the parameter price element, these are two dictionary and the return will be in a dictionary contains date and the adjust factor, adjust price. So for data price in price item, price data equals price return price. What meaning to return adjust price, not price. It's in the wrong return. It's in the wrong return. So let's think about this one. No worries. To my understanding, it's a chain. It's beginning the price dictionary is the date and price. So we change the price to this price. But we do not know the return the dictionary will be the I think it's correct. It's a change of the price. It's just a change of the price. It just changes the data and price, data and price. But is that the price? Yes, data price. Yes. It changes the yes. So I think it's correct as well. Dictionary adjust factor as a factor date factor. It's in the wrong return, not in the wrong return. Just return the. But we use adjust price. So it should be return adjust price. So just change the price, but it's a dictionary of the yes, that's what I mean. If you put the price and change the price, that's the solution. the adjustment. So the adjust prices, not the price. So we can see that before these two functions after will be sorry, excuse me, just price, return the adjust prices. So that will be great. Looks much better and more more. So the data in branches prices just factor date. Yes, just change the name on it. Great. So what time is it? 30 minutes. So let's leave the last two functions. Let's talk about in the next lesson. Bye.